Hi Carmelia, my name is Kyle. I work for Smart Utah SEO. We're a marketing agency based right here in Utah. Today I want to talk about 3 things that you can do to help beat your competition online. If you like what you see, go ahead and contact me. I'll list my phone number and email below so that you could reach out. If not, no harm, no foul. You could go ahead and use the tips and tricks I teach you for yourself and the betterment of your company. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. Content is pretty much anything on the front page of your website. All of that is going to help your website rank in Google. So including pictures, words, even what the pictures are saved as. So if we look at this is saved as Carson 10. Another picture we can look at, saved as Carson 7. So it looks like a lot of these pictures are saved as your company name. We can save these pictures as something keywords. Keywords like plumbers, Hyrum, Utah, or plumbers, Logan, Utah, depending on where you want to target. But that's one thing. What's behind the pictures is more content. And keywords can also be found in descriptions of what you guys do on the front page. So this looks really good. You have a lot of words here explaining what you do and how you can help. The next thing I want to talk about is citations. So when somebody searches plumbing, Hyrum, Utah, a lot of times the first thing that'll pop up are Google ads. So I'll talk about that real quick. Google ads are something, it's hit and miss with Google ads. A lot of people will have ad blocker, so it's not the most useful if they have an ad blocker, or people will simply skip the ads right away just because they maybe had a bad experience using Google ads or something like that. But the next thing I want to talk about is this maps section. So this will pop up, and you guys are actually doing really well. If somebody searches plumbing in Hyrum, Utah, you come up second, which is good. Basically, a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed somewhere else on the web, such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and that helps your company rank higher and higher in this maps section. So the next thing I want to talk about, you guys are doing good here. You only have one above you, Jerry's Plumbing. And the next thing that brings me to backlinks. So backlinks are links anywhere on the web that refers back to your guys' home page. This is a website we use called Ahrefs. It shows us backlinks, how many backlinks you might have, referring domains, organic keywords, organic traffic, and your traffic value. So we see that with your website, and this isn't always the most accurate, but with your website, you're earning $0 per month on people finding you off of Google. Your organic keywords are something that we really want to focus on. You're doing good for having Carson Plumbing, people searching your company name, but we'd also like to see things like plumbing near Hyrum, Utah, or mechanical contractors near me or in Logan. We could look at your competition, Jerry's Plumbing. They have 184 backlinks, and these are really what we'd like to focus on. These are, you can see they have Yellow Pages referring them over, MapQuest. Another thing, their keywords, if we look at, they have over 700 keywords. If we look at that quickly, we can see again their name, but plumbers Logan, Utah, plumbers Logan. That's the kind of keywords we want to try and target on your website to help you rank better and become more organically higher up in Google search. Anyway, if you did like what you see, go ahead and reach out to me. I'll list my number below, and thank you so much.